Forgot to change my oil for 1 year? Here's what I found. Here's my 2003 Chevrolet Suburban. This one's got the 5.3 liter V8, and I've been running Valvoline Restore and Protect, and I'm kind of ashamed to say the last oil change was over a year ago, but the mileage was 125.68, and the mileage now is 124.967. And that means there's only 4,399 miles on this oil. So even though this is January 2026, I think I'm okay with that. Well, I just removed that oil filter, and let's cut this thing open to see what it looks like. All right, she's open. There is still some residual oil in here. I'm gonna dump this out. And looking inside the can here, we can see two things. Number one, the oil color is very red. Exactly what I saw on my 2005 Toyota 4Runner when I cut that one open. But number two, there's a lot more debris in here. And you can also see against the wall here where that filter magnet was, and it does seem like it caught quite a bit of metallic material. It does seem like it's removing some of the deposits inside the engine, and there definitely is some deposits in there. Looks like there's a big chunk right there. But that's a lot more junk than I saw in my Toyota filter. Let's pull these pleats open. Yeah, those are definitely full of stuff. I'm really actually shocked right now. Now this oil and filter does have more mileage on it. It does definitely look like that oil has been removing deposits exactly like what it's supposed to do, and this filter has been doing its job. I'll be very curious what the filter looks like after the next oil change. Well, pulling all the pleats apart so we can look closer at them, you can see that although they are dirty, they don't look like they're clogged up. And I'm installing the same factory recommended oil filter, and I guess I'll pre-fill since the oil filter goes on vertically. And here's that oil drain plug magnet. Looks pretty normal to me. Cleaned it off and it looks like new again. Well, everything's buttoned up underneath. And the engine is filled with the new oil. And I have 3 questions for you. Number 1, would you go an entire year without an oil change, even if your oil only had 4,400 miles on it? Number 2, are you using Restore and Protect? And what are your findings on it? Let me know. And number 3, what did you think about the filter? Did you think it looked overly dirty or pretty normal?